After some serious contemplating and some really big brain moments, I have decided to rework the lower control arms. And I want to change two things. And the first is I want to make them adjustable, so I can fine-tune the chain tension. And I want to move the pivot point from here about an inch in front of the axle to under the axle, so I have a much lesser change of distance between the two axles when the flex. So it's the last thing I want to do, but I'm going to do it anyway because I want it to be really good. So time to cut up some work. I, off camera as they say, have changed the rear lower control arms. So it's now centered under the drive axle, and I made the lower control arm adjustable in the length. And I mounted a new mount for the rear shock absorber. I'm going to try and mount them on the rear axle and see how that works. And other case I can mount them on the control arms, but I hope it's going to work in the rear axle, because then we will be much sturdier and going to handle more damage. So let's make some upper mounts for the shock absorbers.